Will Bitcoin continue to dump, or will we see a push back to all-time highs? I'm going to go over exactly what I think is going to happen, as well as some key levels that you guys can follow as well. And if we get the right confirmations, enter a trade. Now, if you don't have access to the pro group, click the first link in the description below. We have been going actually insane. We took this long here from the bottom, fully close it out, flip short at the top for a hedge. That's just in my channel. Jay's been killing it with his setups. We're literally doing lives every single day inside of the pro Discord. Now, if I open up the voice chat, I want to show you guys real quick just some results. And like I said, we're going live every single day, so I might have to scroll a bit here. But our results are actually nuts. Everyone is crushing it. Shout out to all you guys who are taking these trades, following us. It's actually really insane, you know, what we're doing here. And I can just continue scrolling. This is just yesterday, guys, people posting their results. Yeah, it keeps going on and on and on. And shout out to, I mean, 20% P&Ls in a day. What do you say? Extremely profitable because of this group. I initially started with 1K and took my account to 7K in 2 months, right? So everyone is crushing it. Everyone's crushing it. I want to show you Jordan actually as well, because real quick before I jump into this video, because he actually took $300 to $50,000, okay? Started futures with $300, turned that to $50,000, withdrew 20,000, and now he's sitting at like 28K in his crypto wallet, 4 to 5 months. Yeah, so it's insane what we're doing, guys. If you're not in the pro Discord, you must hate money. We are, we're hammering all sides of the market, guys. We're doing meme coins, spot, leverage, I mean, you name it. But of course, everything I'm posting is in advance. Let's go over Bitcoin, shall we? Enough of me blabbering. I like to share those results because it's very, very rare in this space that people are genuine like us. But let's jump into it, okay? So this is the key level that I have marked out here on BTC on like a daily time frame. Now, if we look at the price action from March, we've been ranging for around 7 months, right? Accumulating below the previous all-time high back in 2021, right? So not enough data on Blowfin, but this is a 2021 high, right around 69, 70K. And we've been consolidating at this level for the past 7 months, right? Building this range here, building this parallel channel, which you can clearly see, right? See this parallel channel, lower lows and lower highs, right? As prices moving down. Kind of looks like a bull flag. I'm not a pattern trader by any means, but this is an interesting pattern, and we did break out. Now, there is a probability that this is a fake out, and that's why I took the short, fully closed my BTC long position. Yes, I'm still in other long positions as well. This is just a head short, okay? It's a 1 to 9 risk to reward, meaning I'm risking 1 to make 9. So this is a good trade thesis, just in case we get a move back down to the yearly open, which I can see happening, maybe like a 30, 20, I'd say 20% chance that happens, right? So I still think it's very unlikely that we make new lows, but anything is possible. This is cryptocurrency. If you've been in crypto for more than a year, and if you've been in crypto for more than one cycle, you know that Bitcoin can do whatever the hell it wants. It doesn't have to do something. Just because it's Q4 doesn't mean price has to continue going up. Bitcoin can do whatever it wants. So I did take this short as a hedge, but I am bullish, guys. I am bullish because if you look at this structure, this is the first time in this 7-month accumulation range that we're seeing higher highs and higher lows, right? Breaking structure to the upside. You can see we have these protected lows here, meaning price does not come down to retest this low. This is a bullish market structure, okay? We are in currently bullish market structure. So my bias is still long, and this is my key horizontal level with price history. This was also the value area high. If we grab our fixed range volume profile, right, from the all-time high to this low here, this was the value area high. Okay, I guess it moved a little bit, but it was here previously, and this is just a very important level, very key level, lots of price history. So yeah, that is the level I'm watching for, and I want to see us retest this level, and continue higher to all-time highs. That is what I think is going to happen. I am bullish. I've been bullish since right here. I said we're going up. We're not going to see any lower. And that was it. And now we're going to continue higher. So we'll see what happens. I am in the short just in case we do see lower. We do not want to lose this level. This is a very important level. If we close below this level, we could see another deviation back down to the lows, right? At least this low here, or potentially even lower lows, right? Oh, shit. Which we do not want to see, right? We do not want to see that happen. So for the time being, I am watching this key level here. I'm watching this key level here, and I want to see this level hold. So go down to a lower time frame, right? We have some lows here as well, some liquidity here we can see swept, right? Something like this, right? Alt H, boom, boom, come down, sweep these lows, right? Sweep these lows and then continue higher. That's kind of what I'm expecting. And also the recent weekly close was really, really healthy, like very, very healthy. If you look at the past weekly close, very strong weekly close, closing above this parallel channel, closing above this level here. So this is a very good weekly close. I want to see 69, 70K flipped, but this could be a very nice retest and boom, bounce, something like that. Right? That's kind of what I think will happen. So we shall see what the rest of Q4 will bring. That is it for this video. Kind of a quick update, but want to share with you guys, what I am looking at. Again, if you guys want access to all of my daily setups, analysis, signals, and daily live streams for the rest of Q4, like multiple times a day, you guys can hop on, ask any question, join the pro group. First link in the description below. It's $75 a month. You will make that back up in one play, literally one play. Even if you have like a small account, $500, $1,000 account, you're going to make that back in one play, guys. One trade, that's all it takes. So click the first link in the description below, and I will see you guys inside. Let's go.